Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. $PAWS listing date fast approaching. Snapshot completed. What's next for Paws token? The cryptocurrency community has been eagerly awaiting the $PAWS token listing, and the excitement is building as the official listing date gets closer. With the recent completion of the $PAWS snapshot on December 30th, a critical milestone has been reached. This snapshot captured the token holdings of active participants in the ecosystem, setting the stage for upcoming airdrop distributions, staking rewards, and governance incentives. This snapshot is not just an ordinary checkpoint, it's a key moment that ensures only real and engaged users are rewarded. By excluding bot activity and dishonest farming practices, the Paws ecosystem aims to create a fair and transparent environment for its users. It also helps establish a clear foundation for the listing and airdrop distribution process, giving the community confidence in the project's legitimacy. Snapshot recap: how it worked. The snapshot on December 30th was a crucial step in tracking the activities of the platform's users. Out of the 72 million registered users on the platform, around 20 million actively participated, securing their positions in the ecosystem. These active participants proved their involvement by holding $PAWS tokens, ensuring that only genuine contributors are eligible for the rewards. This number is impressive, and it shows that Paws is attracting real engagement rather than relying on mere speculation or bot-generated activity. In addition to securing points, this participation solidifies the Paws ecosystem as one that prioritizes transparency and fairness. These principles are crucial as the token heads toward its official listing, ensuring that the rewards and airdrops are distributed to those who truly deserve it. The Paws listing date: what to expect. The official Paws token listing is expected to happen in January 2025, generating excitement not only among current participants but also among market analysts and investors. This upcoming listing has the potential to bring in new opportunities and increase liquidity for the token, opening the door to more trading options on a variety of exchanges. Once the token is listed, it's expected to experience an uptick in trading volume as users and investors look to get in on the action. Analysts predict that the listing will bring greater attention to Paws, driving both short-term and long-term value for the token. As one of the most highly anticipated meme tokens of the year, the listing is expected to attract a wave of traders looking to capitalize on the Paws community's strong foundation. Moreover, the transparency behind the snapshot will give the token a solid backing as it moves into the next phase. Users can feel assured that the team has actively worked to prevent fraud and protect the integrity of the ecosystem. The listing will further boost community trust, fostering a positive environment for new and returning users. What's next after the snapshot? Following the snapshot, there are a few important steps to look forward to. First, the airdrop distribution based on the snapshot data will begin. This airdrop is expected to reward those who have actively contributed to the ecosystem, and it's an opportunity for users to receive additional tokens as a thank you for their involvement. Additionally, the staking rewards will be launched, allowing users to earn more $PAWS tokens by staking their holdings. This will encourage long-term engagement and help stabilize the value of the token by reducing selling pressure in the early days post-listing. By staking their tokens, users not only help strengthen the ecosystem but also position themselves to receive ongoing rewards. The tokenomics of Paws are designed to ensure that long-term holders can benefit from these rewards. With the staking and reward structure in place, participants can expect to see their investments grow over time, depending on their level of involvement and commitment to the ecosystem. $PAWS tokenomics: what you should know. The total supply of $PAWS tokens is capped, meaning there will only be a limited number available. This limited supply plays a significant role in the value of the token, especially in a market where demand is growing. Token scarcity, combined with strong community engagement, creates an environment where the price could appreciate over time as more users become aware of the project. Although the team behind Paws has not yet disclosed the exact price of the token, market analysts have begun to speculate based on trends in similar meme coins, like Doge and SHIB. These predictions place the price of $PAWS between $0.0072 and $0.0078. Factors like the total supply, market cap, and user demand will ultimately influence the token's price, and many believe that the post-listing price could be higher if the community continues to grow and engage actively. Despite the uncertainties, one thing is clear: the Paws team has built a strong foundation for the token. This is evident in the solid community, the transparent processes, and the careful elimination of fraudulent activities from the ecosystem. All of these factors point to a positive outlook for the token once it's officially listed. Price predictions and market trends: what lies ahead? Though the exact price of $PAWS remains uncertain until the token generation event, TG, analysts are optimistic about the future. The meme coin market, particularly coins inspired by dog themes, has been incredibly popular in recent years, with coins like Dogecoin, Doge, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, leading the way. These coins have experienced rapid growth due to community involvement, viral moments, and growing demand. Given the similarities between $PAWS and other successful meme coins, many predict that Paws could see similar success. If the community continues to engage, and the team successfully executes on its roadmap, there is significant potential for price growth. While there may be fluctuations based on market sentiment and external factors, the underlying strength of the Paws ecosystem could contribute to long-term price stability and growth. Community engagement, the key to success. One of the biggest driving factors behind the success of Paws will be the community. The project has been built with transparency, fairness, and inclusivity in mind. With the snapshot phase complete, users who are genuinely involved in the ecosystem are being rewarded. This focus on engagement sets Paws apart from other projects, as the team actively works to eliminate bad actors and ensure that rewards go to the people who truly contribute. As the listing date approaches, it will be important for the community to stay engaged. Continued participation in staking, farming, and other activities will not only help grow the ecosystem but also reward users with additional tokens. This long-term approach encourages a sustainable,